Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Measure and portion ingredients before you start so the process stays fast and healthy. Use 8 small corn tortillas and 1 lb lean ground turkey for 4 servings. Rinse 1 cup cooked black beans and drain thoroughly. Dice 1/2 cup onion and a medium tomato, and chop 1/4 cup cilantro. Combine 2 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tsp ground cumin, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon olive oil to dress the filling. Measure 1/2 cup low-fat shredded cheese for topping. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium-high and add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Brown the turkey 7 to 9 minutes until no pink remains and juices run clear. Stir in 1 cup black beans, 1 tsp cumin, and juice from 2 tablespoon lime. Cook 1 to 2 more minutes. Warm each corn tortilla 30 seconds per side in a dry skillet, or stack and bake at 350 degrees F for 5 minutes to crisp. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoon filling per tortilla. Add 1 tablespoon cheese and 1 tablespoon salsa. Serve immediately to retain crunch and freshness. Each assembled taco plate averages about 350 calories, with roughly 22 g protein and 8 g fiber per serving when using lean turkey and black beans. For swaps, substitute 1 cup shredded rotisserie chicken or 1 cup roasted vegetables to make vegetarian tacos. Replace sour cream with 1 tablespoon plain Greek yogurt and add 1/2 sliced avocado for healthy fats. Garnish with 1/4 cup cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.